We really appreciate that you came here, and I would like to ask you, what do you think about this project?
Well, I think there are a lot of great projects. I'm just amazed that these students who are only 15 and 16, most of them years old, are so creative, so detailed, and so inspired.
And what do you think about the vision to the future?
Well, I think all of these projects, many of them are trying to make the world a better place. All of them really are trying to make the world a better place. So I think it's wonderful to see these students looking to the future. This is the future leaders of Slovakia. So.
And do you have somebody who you prefer from these people? Do you have some favorite?
Well, we had a discussion of in the jury. We're just deliberating that now. But I thought they all had good features.
And do you think can you help with something to make this project much better to next years?
Well, I think that when these students see that other students have actually accomplished some specific projects, that will inspire them to come forward with new ideas.
Thank you very much.